Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products the top 5 best heat press machines that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. F2C Pro Heat Press Machine. For sublimation and heat transfer, this heat press machine from F2C is another excellent find whether you're working on a personal custom project or finishing uploads of projects for different clients. This heat press machine can help you out. With its swing-away design, the whole process becomes a lot easier. The interchangeable system of heat platens and other elements help make this equipment a success. As it is solely focused on sublimation printing, it promises to deliver high definition and the most excellent graphics and designs to your projects. It can provide brilliant prints on ceramic plates, cotton, chemical fiber, flax, textiles, and nylon. You can also use it on shirts, mugs, caps, hats, mouse pads, jigsaw puzzles, lettering, fabrics, and materials. This heat press machine is truly versatile and allows you to accomplish loads of projects in no time. At number 4. Offnovaim Pression 9 by 9 inches Heat Press Machine. Press the temperature time button separately in turns, increase or minus it to a certain number, then press the buttons to confirm. Place the vinyl or transfer paper ready for transferring on fabrics, press the Offnova heat press machine with gentle pressure, and press the time button to count down. When the time is up, turn over the fabrics, set time to 15s, and press the machine at the same method. Peel off clear adhesive films from the fabrics when it is still hot or cool to room temperature according to the characteristics of the films. At number 3. Swing-away Heat Press Machine. Brand new press casting aluminum heating plate with Teflon coating, harmless to the cloth. Don't need coated sheet anymore. Large 12 inches by 15 inches heat press. Provides a big surface to create your own custom t-shirt. Special thickened heating plate make the printing more even and better. Color LED intelligent memory digital temperature, time and counter triple function controller. Provides extra function of calculating production. Full 360-degree rotation of swing-away design. Safe and convenient to display the t-shirt on the heat press. The mug press only have one piece of 110Z mug pad. The attachment that inside the mug press is not included in the package. It is only an example to show how to work with that press. T-shirts, cups, plates and hats are not included in the package. At number 2. Mophorn Heat Presses 5-in-1 12 by 15 inch Heat Press Machine. Heat Press Machine 12 by 15 inch 5 Indiana 1. Digital multifunction transfer t-shirt heat press transfer. This 5-in-1 heat press machine with 2 inches 1 digital controller is out now. This swing-away heat press boasts all of the must-have attachments. This includes flat platen, mugs press and plates press. It can transfer colorful pictures and characters of sublimating and dissolved printing ink onto ceramics, glasses and textiles such as cotton, flax, chemical fiber, nylon, etc. Removable silicone pad and cotton pad. Detachable lower platform easily exchanged to other elements. Metal and plastic construction. Built-in fuse for safe using. Package includes 1x fully assembled machine with platen press, 1x hat press, 1x mug press, 2x plate presses, 1x silicone pad, 1x cotton pad, 1x manual t-shirts. Cups and hats are not included. Finally at number 1. SuperDeal Pro Digital Heat Press Machine. SuperDeal Pro offers a large surface and a clamshell design to help you accomplish every custom project in time. You can use it on flat-surfaced items such as shirts, plates, fabrics, bags, mouse pads, ceramic, and glass. You can print your favorite images or artworks and give your craft a personal touch. The heat platen uses Teflon that helps regulate the heat and prevents scorching. The non-stick surface and high-density heating board also do a great job in stabilizing the heat. But if you want to adjust the temperature and set it up on the optimal heat, you can do so. The timer setting would also allow you to keep track of the procedure within the suitable amount of time. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.